By adding a tracking generator or TG option to the RSA 5000, your instrument will be able to perform antenna testing, cable normalization, VisWare testing, and filter testing. The tracking generator is used in the general purpose mode and either used to sweep a frequency range at the same rate of the RF input or at a fixed frequency when the instrument is set to zero span mode. In order to turn on the tracking generator, what you do is you simply press the TG button and then you can turn the output on. And at this point, we'll see an output, and currently we've got hooked up to our tracking generator, and the input of our spectrum analyzer is a simple filter, and we can easily affect the amplitude of our tracking generator, currently set to negative 40 dBm, but we can increase this up to negative 20 dBm, or up to 0 if we would like. The tracking generator adds additional testing possibilities in the general purpose mode.